Hello, in this video we're going to perform a zoom test between Google Pixel 8 and Google Pixel 10. Okay, so I just went outside and I have took some photos on different zoom levels. Now I will open up the Google Photos on my PC because it will be better for you to see the difference in the colors and the details. So let me open up the Google Photos and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so on the left side is a photo taken by the Google Pixel 8. As you can see, that's the 0.5 zoom level. As we zoom in, we can see a little bit of the details which are on this trampoline, but the more things we can see right in here. When we take a look on the Google Pixel 10, as we zoom in, the photo is a little bit sharper than the one taken on the Pixel 8, but what we need to say one thing, that on the 0.5 on both devices the colors get a little bit enchanted and they look a little bit different than normally. Now let's go into the second zoom level. That's the 1x. On the left side it's the Google Pixel 8, and in here I actually took two photos. One is on one device, on Pixel 10 I took photos with two modes. One was with the RAW mode, and that's the mode without it, and you can see a difference in the color because just like I was saying, the Google Pixel 8 a little bit boosts the color palette. The grass, for example, and the leaves are much greener than in reality, while on the Google Pixel 10 we don't have that enchantment. So the photos look more realistic, I would say, on the Pixel 10. They might look a little bit better on the Pixel 8, but the actual photo of the real colors is on the Pixel 10. You can now compare those two photos to each other. I'll maybe zoom in a little into the trampoline so you can take a look. Okay, next zoom level, it's the 2x right in here. You can take a look for yourself, and I would say that even those photos on the 2x zoom look pretty similar to each other. And next thing is another zoom level is that one. That's the 5x. You can now take a look. I would say that this time that's the Pixel 10. Yeah. This time the quality of the photo is a little bit better on the Pixel 10. You can take a look on in here. We have some like piece of leather, I would say, and for me the photo looks a little bit better on the Pixel 10. As you take a look on those photos. Now let's go into another photo. That's the that's like 6x zoom. The photo that I have taken. You can take a look. Again, a little different in the color. You just need to say which photo looks better for you, but even on the 6x zoom, those devices look pretty similar to each other. Maybe again a little difference in the colors, but still really similar. Those photos are sharp in both cases. In here it's the photo taken on the Pixel 10 with the maximum zoom level. It's 20x, and that's the photo taken with the maximum zoom on Pixel 8, and it's only 5x. Actually, let me only check, maybe because I don't want to say something wrong. No, that's the 8x, my bad. So that's the 8x zoom on the Pixel 8 on the left side, and the 20x on Pixel 10. And in here we can see a pretty good level of the details when it comes to the 20x zoom on the Pixel. This head which is on the wall looks pretty sharp, I would say, even that it's pretty big zoom, because you need to know that if you zoom higher, the quality of the photo gets worse. Now I'll zoom in a little on the Pixel 8, and you can see that this face is blurred in comparison with the Pixel 10. So I would say that when it comes to the higher zooms, the Pixel 10 deals better with the quality of those photos. In here I also took a photo of a tree right in here. I just need to take a look from which device is each photo. Oh, actually, I think that the photo wasn't taken. And that's also the quality on the Pixel 8. And that's my bad, because I have taken a wrong photo. And that's the photo taken from the Pixel 10. But I took only the photo of my leg and the grass. Alright, so as a final result, I would say that both devices have a pretty decent camera and the zoom level. You just need to be aware that Pixel 10 has 20x zoom, that's the max, and the Pixel 8 only has 8. While on the Pixel 10, the quality of the photo, even using the maximum zoom level, is on a really decent level. Same thing with that photo. No, that's the Pixel 8, my bad again. In here, the Pixel 10. Yeah, and the Pixel 8, yeah. So that's the 5x zoom. In here, for me, the photo isn't that blurred when it comes to the Google Pixel 10, but still on the Google Pixel 8 we can see a pretty good level of the details. But simply on the Google Pixel 10, it looks more sharp and a little bit better. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.